Hi guys, welcome back to my channel War Paint. I'm Tara Michelle. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, I have a link down in the description box for you to click after this video to go follow me over there. But if you do follow me, then you know that I've been talking about this product for about a year now. I think I started using it in about January and I absolutely love it. It's the reason I have this smile. I've been using this product since January, love it, and I always go back to it, and I am so excited to tell you that today's video is actually sponsored by Hismile. So I'm going to be showing you their teeth whitening kit. They've recently reformulated their whitening and it works better than ever. It's so effective, so quick, and really easy to use. So I'm going to show you how I use it and tell you why I use it. So I've been going back to Hismile time and again with my regular like oral care. It's what I do. I use it probably at this point about every 2 weeks, but the kit, you can get it and like boost your smile instantly. There's 6 applications within the kit and I'm going to get into that in a minute. And let me just show you this packaging. It's so cute and easy to use. You don't have to have any teeth molds or anything like that, which is one of the reasons I really love this and why I go back to it, because it's so simple to use and just put it within your regimen that you already have with your skincare, hair care, makeup. You can put it on anytime. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what exactly comes inside of your kit. So you get this really nice box that you can store anywhere in your bathroom. It's very small and compact and has everything you need. So on the top you have your 3 syringes of whitening gel. So this is 6 treatments. And then inside you have your mouthpiece over here and then the light that it connects to. So that helps boost the gel. So when you take your light out, there's gonna be a little tab that you're gonna pull to activate the batteries. And it also opens up in case you ever need to change the batteries, you can do that. So the mouth guard here has a little connector on the end that's going to connect to this little guy. So I'm going to show you that you can just easily slide this in. And if you want to watch this, obviously before your first application, do that. And you're just going to pop this right on and you're going to be able to put it inside of your mouth. I'm going to show you that in a second. And then you're going to turn the blue light on. It has a timer, which is awesome. It's 10 minutes. It goes by really fast and you're done. So one thing I did before I did my first application was I used a little card that they include in the kit and just saw exactly where I was on their range. And I then used the kit and then checked back after I used my first application, and then after I used all 6 to see what my results are, and they were amazing. I definitely jumped, I think it was, by now it's 3 numbers, but after the first 6 I jumped 2 numbers, so really awesome. And this is a really good guide to see how far you've come with the process of whitening. So now I will show you exactly how I use this. So in January, I was actually using their previous formula and now they've upgraded it and updated the active ingredient inside of the formula. And the thing that I noticed with this one is that I get my results quicker. So basically what I do is I did the whole like 6 and then I'll go in and do some maintenance down the road. So maybe I'll whiten my teeth every 3 to 6 weeks. But when I do with the new formula, it bounces back in one use. So that's the difference I find in it. I feel like it's definitely stronger, but there's no sensitivity when it comes to this whitening. I really like that because in the past I've had sensitivity towards whitening strips, other whitening gels. It's really uncomfortable and you have to be very careful with your teeth. With this, I haven't had any sensitivity, so I definitely recommend it for anyone with sensitive teeth. I feel like you're not going to have any problems with it whatsoever. In addition to their whitening kit, they do offer other products. They have a day and night toothpaste a breath spray. If you guys are interested in having a overall oral care from Hismile, they do have other products that they can offer, so you definitely should check them out in their website below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks to Hismile again for sponsoring this video. I love this product, so if you guys have any questions, you can ask them over on Instagram too. Don't forget to check my link down below for Instagram and go follow me over there. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.